Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes mouse automatically scrolling in Windows 11 fixed. First method is click Start, Settings, click Bluetooth and Devices. Click Mouse, turn off scroll in active windows when hovering over them. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Click View Installed Updates. Uninstall recently installed update. Restart system. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand mice other pointing devices, right-click mouse, uninstall device, click Uninstall, click Yes to restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.